Whenever you create a website or a hosting package, you'll be able to manage it directly from your Starter Hub control panel. So you can do things like installing WordPress, installing or activating an SSL certificate, taking backups, managing your website files, emails, domains, doing website optimizations, changing PHP versions, and configuring some basic CDN settings. So you can do all of this directly from your client area or your Starter Hub control panel. So to get started managing all your applications or website, remember you have to be logged into your control panel. And with the hosting package that is assigned to you for being a part of this course, you can create up to 5 websites, that is 5 hosting packages. So once you are in your control panel, click client area. From client area, move down to manage services and click hosting. So if you click hosting, it's going to show you a list of the available hosting packages or websites that you have created. So you can manage any one of them that you want. Alternatively, from the right sidebar here under package select, you can click inside here and choose the package you want to manage directly from here. So once you want to access any package, you can access it directly from here. And it's going to take you to a screen where you'll be able to manage that package directly. So all available packages or websites you have created, you can find them from here. So it's an easier and a faster way to access a particular service or a particular hosting package. Alternatively, you can click hosting from under managed services. And when you do that, it's going to present a list of available hosting packages or websites you've created for you to choose from. So against any package you want to manage, click the manage button here. So once you click manage, it's going to open up a whole list of services or options which you can configure on your website. So you look at them, the list is populated. You can go to your WordPress admin area directly from here. You can see all your plugins. You can see themes, users, and do all basic WordPress settings from here. You can even access your website front end directly by clicking the link here. So there are CDN settings. You can set your caching, optimize your website, and do other options from here. Manage your website files, take backups, and do a whole lot of other configurations, which we are going to talk about in subsequent lessons. So this is how to manage your hosting packages or website. You have to be logged into your control panel and click client area and then click hosting under manage services and then choose the hosting package you want to manage and click the manage button against it so that you will be brought to this screen where you can find all the services you can configure on your hosting package. We're going to be talking about each and every one of these in subsequent lessons. So basically, whenever you're thinking of managing or configuring anything on your website or your domain from your control panel, this is how you can access it.